So there's the part number ES75118, and it's a pack of them for $20. Here's a bag, you know. You're crazy. Oh, I see. The bag. The other one is here. So, and then this is a gasket. I'm just gonna replace the gasket and put 2 of them there, and then tighten down the bolt. All right, so in order to remove the exhaust manifold bolt, you're going to have to wait, and it involves a lot of waiting, especially this problem here. There's a nasty plastic valve control. Just take it off and wait and wait and wait. And I have a bucket full of water, a cup, a ratchet. I've taken the tire off. And okay, well, this is the problem. They will not move at all. Okay, now wait some more, and the other way to put out a fire is put it over there quick. Alright, so I'm still confused and I'm still upset. So hit the ground on the with a breakup bar like this, because my Uncle Donald's crazy. See the black one there. You know, I've got a torch. Shouldn't that be good enough? No. We have to reduce the risk of this exploding, because it's strange, by removing this quickly. You know, and then more terrible stuff. Okay, well, what if this doesn't turn the gas off, and you have to remove this from the propane cylinder and put it in the water? That's the theory. And as a matter of fact, someone says you can do it with a candle. A candle. Okay, I got it. I think you should light it and see if you can safely turn it off. Let's forget about the blowtorch for a minute. This is what it sounds like with just that glue. You'd be lucky to get this into drive. It is moving forward. You can hear it, obviously. Just the exhaust manifold. Alright, so those crazy guys, you know, they know it's a manifold, but they have a header exhaust for it. So there's a engine mounting screw nearby. So you can get some of these and put them on there like, well, not necessarily like that, because you can also do it like that. So this is the part from cat. And I'll list the website on the YouTube channel, but I'm just going to install this. But the problem is, it doesn't have the right bolt with it. That is not the right bolt for this. So you need the big ratchet with the extension with the accessory and the 5/8. 5/8. So this is the theory here, is that it rests on there like that, and then you tighten down the manifold with that. So there's 2 points, not just one, but it has more leverage. And so just get in there like that, tighten that both down. Just type Cat 5.4S installation on Google, and it's called Kral Auto Parts, CRAL Auto Part. You go to the website here, and this is the only manufacturer that makes an exhaust manifold bolt repair kit for a Ford 5.4 liter V8. So you can order it for directly from the website, and it'll get here in about 6 days, 7 days. And maybe you'll be able to run it in a low idle without getting stopped in traffic. Thank you.